Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm by the name Ian Person. Today guys, I'm back again guys in another video. I always come at least once or twice in a week to come and give you guys some price action and what is really truly happening into the market, to give you guys that potential to come and make some juicy money in a juicy trade which is happening. And guys, I know I've not been making some content for the past 2 weeks yet, but I'm back again guys now with some juicy trades which is about to start moving to its direction. And guys, if you find any real value into the kind of content that I'm doing, and mostly to help the beginners, to help them build their edge, that mostly if you want to become a swing trader, to help them build their edge, the top down analysis, the supplies and demands, the everything when it comes just to swing trading, and most importantly the entry triggers guys. So I urge you to go down there and tap into the subscribe button, so whenever I'll be releasing any video, you'll be among the first people to come and watch this video. And I urge you to go down there and like, comment, and give me any kind of advice, any kind of thing that you feel like I should be doing to help the beginners in building their edge and everything when it comes to trading guys. So let's go straight to our video right now guys. What am I having right now today? I'm having some 2 GC trade which is about to start happening. The most and foremost, it's AUDUSD guys. Let's first go from a high time frame of AUDUSD and see what is really truly happening into the market. AUDUSD has currently been AUDUSD has currently been in bearish for quite a long period of time right now, and we see and AUD has been consolidating for the past 2-3 months, and right now I'm come with some clear view of what is really truly happening to AUDUSD guys. So what am I saying AUDUSD? As you guys can see, AUDUSD last year it dropped like shit. It dropped so bearish, and it came and then started giving us some kind of a fair cut and then consolidation into a higher time frame. Then what I did was just simple. This is a monthly time frame, as you guys could see. I just brought my Fibonacci course after a very long, you could see these are high highs, this was a high low, and this is a lower low. Then the market is coming to make another high low here because we are in a downtrend, so the market will be making a high low and then a lower low, higher low and a lower low. So the market here is trying to make another higher low, and this point, if you could put our Fibonacci and from a swing high to swing low, we could see this point. It came and then tap onto the 61.8% Fibonacci, which shows that this market is about to start continue dropping guys. So this is my lower, this is my high time, this is my monthly. So let's first go to weekly and see what is truly happening in a weekly time frame guys. We could see in a weekly the market now came and gave us and this a bullish engulfing, wasn't like kind of a bullish engulfing, but it gave us some, this red is bigger than all of this, and it shows that this market is about to start getting ready to start dropping all the way to its direction, which is a bearish direction guys. So as you guys could see, this is my weekly time frame, and everything is still look quite bearish to me right here. And so I'm looking now, what am I going to be looking right now, because in the monthly time frame I've seen everything is bearish. Daily, weekly, I'm seeing everything is bearish. So the moment I go to daily and 4 hours, what I'm only gonna be looking for, it's just to sell euro, AUD, USD guys. So this one gives you that high concept, and then that high probability of you guys to be getting able to get a very good entry, to be able to just roll the market all the way to where it's going, because now your mindset is telling you this market is gonna sell. So the only thing you'll be looking for, it's just a selling market guys. So let's go to a daily time frame and see what is truly going into a daily time frame. We could see the market came here and make series of a bottom right here. If I could show you guys, we could see the market failed to break this zone, and this zone is our 61.8. If you guys, this zone is our 61.8 degree guys. If I'm to show you from a swing high, from here, from a swing high to a swing low, you could see this zone is around 61.8, which shows this market is still quite bullish from here. So right now, guys, from as a swing trader, we start our analysis from a monthly, daily, a monthly, weekly, daily, and we always come and execute our trade in 4 hours. So what am I looking for in a 4 hour course? You could see this kind of a very impulse move of a bearish momentum in a daily. So this one is now is like a high low, and this like a lower low. So the market has to come and make another high low somewhere to continue dropping to all the way to its direction, guys. So if I'm to come to 4 hour time frame here, if I'm to come in a 4 hour time frame, I could see that really happening. I've seen some, we could say there's a supply zone somewhere here, or you could say there was some a little bit consolidation for them before the market started dropping all the way to the downside. So this is where the market will always come and retest it before, and because this is even acting like a neckline, a supply zone, a Fibonacci fib retracement in a 4 hour. As I could, if I could show you, you could see this is a 50 fib retracement. So what am I only gonna be looking for, guys, is to wait for the market to drop, to come back all the way to here like this, and then wait for how I always enter my entry, whereby I draw a counter trend line. I draw a counter trend line, and then with a bearish engulfing in 4 hours, that's where now I start coming and then execute the trader. So this is what I'm looking for right now in AUD USD. So for now, let's just skip it like that and wait for the market to do whatever it wants to, guys. So let's go for another pair, guys. What am I saying? And I'm having another pair, which is GBP AUD. GBP USD has been kind of crazy, moving up and down, but still we were able to, although AUD Euro GBP USD came and broke us in a break even, as the video I brought you guys last time. So what am I saying? GBP GBP USD, guys. If you guys could see, GBP USD came and then got stuck in a supply zone somewhere here. From a weekly time frame, can it shows much more better. And guys, this is so huge, man. This bearish engulfing is so huge in a high time frame. So guys, we need to be very and much more careful in GBP USD, mostly if you want to buy, because this bullish engulfing in monthly is so huge, guys. This one is so huge. So right now what I'm looking for in GBP USD is just to short, is to sell GBP USD. So let's first go into a weekly time frame and see what is happening in GBP USD, guys. And this is our weekly time frame, and we guys could see the market came and then create for us some head and shoulder, and mostly this one can show in a daily time frame, guys. So let's first, this is our daily time frame. The market came and give us a head, a shoulder here, a left shoulder, and then a right shoulder, and this one is acting as a neckline. This one is acting as a neckline. So guys, let's first see what is now happening. This is acting as a neckline, a head, a left shoulder, and then a right shoulder, and this one is a neckline right here. If I could bring it like this, you guys could see this one acting as a neckline. So what am I only gonna be looking for is the market to come and retest the neckline of the pattern, guys, which is a head and shoulder, and this neckline even is connecting with our Fibonacci fib. As you guys could see, it's connecting with our Fibonacci fib. So my daily, weekly, monthly is all showing bearish. So when I come to 4 hour, the only thing I'll be looking for is to sell this trade, although we are still not so certain for where far it's gonna go, but the first TP is somewhere around here, because so the only thing I'll be waiting for in GBP USD is for the market to come and retest somewhere here. Is the market to come and retest here and then just drop, and the only way I'll be able to execute this market it's only when I've seen my confirmation. The moment I don't see any confirmation into this trade, I'm not gonna enter because the market current right now it's so uncertain. There's a too much volatility into the market cause with all this news which is really coming on each and every day. So we need to be very very careful in order for us beginners to be able to make some small money into the market, guys. So this is what I'm saying. What if the market reach somewhere? If the market reach to this yellow zone, what I'm gonna do is to draw a counter trend line. I need the market to break the counter trend line and give me with a bullish and bearish engulfing candlestick in the 4 hour or a daily. That's where I will come and then start jumping into this trade, guys. So where am I gonna be putting my stop loss and my TP? My stop loss is always gonna be above the structure, above this yellow zone somewhere here and somewhere around here, and then my first TP is gonna be here once the market reach this first TP here, which is at 1.31737, guys. I will take my 50% profit out of the market and then bring my entry to break even. Then the moment the market breaks this zone up below, that's where I'll come and then let you guys know if to take more entries. But for now, let's just keep it short with this trade here, which is the pips is even quite huge. If you guys could see from here to here, which is 190 pips, it's really quite huge, guys. If you guys can just wait for this trade and then let it happen, this 190 pips is not, it's a very good pips, guys. It's a very good one. So guys, let's just be patient and wait for everything which is gonna happen to the market. So these are the only two trades that I had wanted to show you guys, because it's the only trade that I'm currently seeing is gonna happen currently like soon, and it's the market is the trade which is now currently trending. So guys, I thank you guys, and we have come to the end of the video. And if you guys could find any value into this video, you guys, I urge you guys to go down there, subscribe, comments, and then give me any kind of advice, and then give me any kind of question, any kind of pairs you want me to analyze, so we guys could grow this community together, guys. I'm here so we can grow. There's nobody who is perfect in this community, and it's only gonna be able to happen when we join hands and then build something together, guys. So I've come to the end of the video, and I thank you, and then I wish you guys have a very good week of trade, and thank you, and peace out.